Good day. My name is Benson Tracer Naampo, base IT 3H. This is my short poem video in IT Elect 2. The title name is Invisible Locks. In the quiet hum of modern days, where life unfolds in silent waves, we share our thoughts, our dreams, our fears through glowing screens and silent peers. A status here, a photo there, a login type without a care. We scroll, we tap, we clicks, agree, but never ask who else can see. Data everywhere, floating free like midnight air. Our names, our age, our history stored in server we have never explored. Behind each app, behind each game, lurks a shadow with no name. Not a ghost, but something real. A silent watchers who can steal. Not all thieves break down your door. Some sleep in through your device floor. They don't need keys. They don't need wear mask. Just careless clicks, a simple task. A password, a password, a public Wi-Fi. An urgent email passing by. Just one moment, one mistake. And all your own they can take. But not is but it's not just about your bank or phone. It's your digital skin, your second home. It's your memories, your work, your voice, and privacy that should be a choice. Think of children on a school device or patient records, life precise. We don't guard this silent land, the damage sleeps right through our hands. So what do we do in times like these? We rise with knowledge, not just please. Lock our doors, both real and coded. We learn the risk. Keep system loaded. We use strong keys, not birthdays or pets. Enable two steps, no regrets. We question links. We think before. We open files that beg for more. Security isn't fear, it's care. It's building worlds where few prepare. It's teaching kids to guard their trail and helping elders not to fail. It's patching system, knowing rights. It's standing up for data fights. It's not just techs who hold the line, it's every hand, including mine. So guard your world with every click. Don't fall for traps, don't fall for tricks. Privacy is not old fashioned lore, it's the lock that guards your digital door. Thank you for watching.